Okay, you guys, I am hoping that this setup is gonna work, at least for the time being. I don't know, but let's see. Today I want to set up the week of July, blah 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 blah. I don't know. I think it's 4th of July, you guys. The week of 4th of July, yes. So I just got this planner and I'm setting it up. I'm gonna show you what I've done so far. I need to do the monthly. I haven't done that. I started doing my dashboard here. And this stickers are from Elisa Ravell stickers. And let's take a look here. All right, and this is what I have so far. Now, this is the week that I want to plan with you. Now, I have some new sticker kits from Elisa Ravell. I am part of her PR team. And as you guys know, I do have a code, and I'll leave it here, which is Make Up Your Plan PR 20, and you get 20% off. I'm going to use this new kit right here. Now, this kit is kit number 122. This is for the Hobonichi cousin, but I don't have my cousin because I left it at home, and I was thinking of buying another one, but I'm not gonna do that. They're pretty expensive. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this beautiful patriotic kit on my Erin Conrad A5 compact vertical. Okay, we're gonna make it work. And let me get my, so usually for the Hobonichi cousin, the days of the week are in one strip, but Yellies are individual. So that is perfect. I'll be able to use this. I didn't know that. I thought it was one strip. So let's see here. Let's start with a little bit of washi on top. What do I want? I think the stars would be good. Yeah. Oh my goodness, very crooked. And what we're gonna do is this one. Oh, I don't do a lot of plan with me's because it takes a lot of time, you guys. Sometimes I spend, you know, over an hour plus editing. It's just way too much. Okay, so how do we do that? Rainbow, stars, no! Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Yep, it got stuck right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna have to put it together. It's gonna be crooked. Okay, so you can tell it's a little crooked here, but we'll have to survive. I just have to be careful because it seems like this middle part is getting stuck. There we go. Okay. It's not perfect. It's a little crooked, but we will survive. Just need to make sure that I finish setting up all of my planners. There we go. Because I don't want to start my month late. Okay. You know what? Let me take this off. Now let's start with the days of the week. I'm gonna take this Sunday. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Okay, this is what I do all the time. I make this mistake all the time, you guys. Let me show you what I do. I always put the day covers without the day dots, so I forget what day is what. So this is gonna be Sunday the 9th. So let's add the numbers before I forget. Okay, there we go. So the 3rd, it's Monday. I feel a little bit off today. I've been sick for the last couple of days, and there we go. And as you can tell, I'm in a new setting. I don't think 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. I don't think this tripod is gonna work for me. I'm gonna have to get something better if I want to keep filming and uploading videos while I'm away. And yeah, this is making it harder for me to film. So, okay, 4th of July is on a Tuesday. I don't even know if my husband's gonna be off and my daughter. I'm not working right now. I'm still looking for a job. There. The problem is that we're not moving here, okay? So we're just here temporary for a few months, and I don't want to get an office job because I don't want to leave within a couple of months, you know? So I'm thinking retail or hospitality would be better, you know? So we'll see what happens. Okay, now for this compact vertical, we have the monthly calendar on every week. I don't think that's necessary. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this weekly tracker here, and we're gonna cover it. There we go. And we're gonna make that useful. That tiny calendar is, I really don't need it. Okay, so now let's do weekend. So the weekend is, you know what, I'm just gonna do weekend here, because even though Friday is not technically the weekend, yeah, no, maybe I'll just, let's see, I'll just do it here. Yeah, let's do that here. Weekend. I don't want to cover that pretty washi. This washi is really cute. It's very small, and it has red, white, and blue hearts. So let's do weekend. Now we need some boxes. Saturdays is laundry day for sure. Okay, then I also need a box here to add my daughter's work schedule. So I'm gonna do that here. There we go. And let's see, do I have groceries here? No. Let me go get my other stickers. One second. So this is my Elisa Ravell stickers binder. I was only able to bring some of my things here. And I put as much as I could here, but you know, it's a little hard to bring everything. I think I'll do red. No, because I have that here, this one. So Fridays I have to wait myself. Let's see here, right there. I have nothing. Oh, you know what? I forgot to tell you that I do have a PR code, a discount code. It's Make Up Your Plan PR20. You get 20% off if you would like to purchase at Elisa Ravell stickers. Is this removable? Because they feel... Oh, this paper feels a little bit different. I wonder if it's removable. I want to put this cute box on top. This one, I like this one. With the plaid. There we go. And I'm gonna write hydrate. We'll do highlights, and I want to use this checklist. They're so cute. They're super tiny, you guys. Tiny, tiny. I think they're a little too small for that box. I think I'll do 2 of them. Let me do this light blue. Too much. Oh, maybe if we do it like this. No. There you go. Okay. Let's add some checklists here also. They're a little crooked. That's fine. And then this one is for the gym. My daughter and I are exercising. We're trying to exercise as regularly as we can, or as often as we can. We're actually losing weight already. You know, a little bit at a time, but hey, it's a win-win, right? So here it's gonna be weekly. And it doesn't matter if it's on Wednesday. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the days of the week here, and then I'll just write what we have for dinner. I should have added on the bottom of every single day, but I messed up. So let's do this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. That looks a little messy, but we're gonna work with it, okay? We are working on it. I feel that I have everything I need. Let's see. Sunday is family time, so we are going to add this pretty box here. Yeah, so we're gonna add this pretty box here. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do on Sunday, but every Sunday we've been doing something. So let's add some more deco. I like this. So this sticker has the map of the US, and I want to add it here on Independence Day. There we go. Independence Day. That looks a little too light. Let me, you know what? Let's add a star here to make it pop. Oh my gosh, this is so small. There we go. Independence Day. Okay, friends, I think for now my week is set up. I don't want to add more boxes yet until I know exactly what we're gonna do. Oh, groceries here. Let's see, do I have groceries here? No. Let's do, I have a sticker here. Let's see, right here. We go grocery shopping every Sunday, so, and it's like the first thing we do in the morning. So let's add a dot and then this right here. There we go. Should I do something here? No, that's good. Let's do a to-do list here on Friday. Okay, so we're just gonna leave it at that for now. This is my plan with me for the week of July the 3rd through the 9th. This is a kit from Elisa Ravell stickers. This is kit 122. I have 2 pages. I have page A and B. Even though this is not for this planner, you guys, the stickers are the perfect size. They're small enough to fit in all of my, you know, designated day spaces for the compact vertical. And I'm sure you can work with this in other planners, you know, not just the Hobonichi weeks. No, not just the Hobonichi cousin. So, and that is all I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to purchase from Elisa Ravell stickers, I'll leave you a link below, and I'll leave you my code here so you can get 20% off. I think we are good, and yeah, we're starting strong. I have most of the information for this week in my other planner, in my personal range, just because I just got this. I had to order one because I left my my planner at home, so I order a new one. I haven't filmed in a while, so bear with me while I get used to the setup, and I hope that you can see what I was doing, because who knows, you guys, I'm gonna have to rethink my setup. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like always, I will see you on the next one. Bye.